Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome back to Science Online class. In today's science class, we will continue the chapter Living and Non-Living Things and learn about living things need food and living things feel changes. First, living things need food. All living things need food and water to grow. Food gives us energy to work. Animals move from one place to another in search of food and water. They eat plants or the flesh of other animals. Next, plants. Green plants can make their own food with the help of sunlight, air, water, and chlorophyll. Non-living things do not need food and water. Children, have you ever seen a table eating food? No. Next, living things feel changes. Children, can you tell me how many sense organs in your body? 5. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. These sense organs help us to feel the things around us. So, they are like the windows to the outside world. Now, let's see the functions of 5 sense organs. Eyes help us to see. Ears help us to hear. Nose help us to smell. Tongue help us to taste food. Skin help us to touch and feel things. Children, all living things can feel the changes around them. Sense organs of humans help them to feel the changes in the surroundings. In winter, we shiver due to cold, while we sweat when it is very hot. We laugh when we are happy and cry when we are sad. Plants and animals can also feel the changes around them. First, animals. Most animals feel or sense changes around them with the help of their sense organs. Animals such as ant, cockroach, grasshopper, and butterfly have special body parts called antennae that help them to feel changes around them. Next, plants. Plants also feel changes around them. For example, mimosa, touch me not plant, feels a touch. A lotus flower opens out at sunrise and closes at night. Plants can also feel light and grow towards it. Non-living things do not feel changes. Children, have you ever seen a door crying when we tighten a screw in it? No. When you bang on a table with a scale, does it cry out? No. Children, take your science book. Take page number 62. Living things need food. Living things need food to grow. Food gives us energy to work and move. Underline the word. Food gives us energy to work and move. Animals eat plants, or the flesh of other animals is food. Plants do not need to go in search of food. Underline the word. Plants do not need to go in search of food. They make their own food in the presence of air, water and light. Underline the word. Plants make their own food with the help of air, water and light. Non-living things do not need food. Underline the word. Non-living things do not need food. Living things feel changes. We can feel changes around us, such as hot and cold weather. In the same way, animals and plants can also feel changes around them. Most animals feel or sense changes around them with the help of their sense organs. Underline the word sense organs. Eyes helps to see, ears helps to hear, nose helps to smell, tongue helps to taste and skin helps to touch. Animals such as ant, cockroach, grasshopper and butterfly have special body parts called antennae. Underline the word antennae, that help them to feel changes around them. Plants also feel changes around them. For example, mimosa, touch me not plant, feels a touch. Underline the word mimosa, touch me not plant, feels touch. Next, a lotus flower opens out at sunrise and closes at night. Underline the word lotus flower opens out at sunrise and closes at night. Plants can also feel light and grow towards it. Underline the word light and grow towards it. Non-living things do not feel changes. Underline the word non-living things do not feel changes. Children, take your science booklet. Lesson 6, living and non-living things. The last class we have written 2 questions, right? Now you write the third question, okay? How do plants get their food? How do plants get their food? Plants make their own food in the presence of air, water and light.